Next, I am going to tell you how to hold the envelope/letter. If you write some letter to your friends or families, you will have rectangle paper like this. And then you can actually make envelope itself, like a letter itself. So, please fold in half. And then open it. And right corner, bring to the center that you made line. And then do the same thing on the other side of the corner. Now you have square part here. Bring this square up to this line here. And then do it the same thing from the other side. Now, last step. So this is the center line. You are going to fold this corner to the center. Bring up to the top. And then on the other side, do it the same thing. And then you also can flip this corner, each of them, and it doesn't open. You don't have to glue or staple or tape. So letter itself became envelope. So you can write the letter to whom and from whom this side. Okay. Next, it's going to be a rabbit or bunny, usagi in Japanese.